Well, we are halfway through Living 808 and class is in session.
That's right, because Mikey got a chance to learn how these students are taking advantage of their grade A programs.
At Maryknoll School, there's a bunch of programs that you can enroll your child in, and one of those programs we are highlighting today is called STEM. Here to tell us all about STEM, we bring in Dr. Chanelle Tolentino. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for coming on Living 808 and informing all of our viewers out there. Let's tell them about STEM. First of all, what does STEM stand for?
STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I actually started teaching 11 years ago with Social Studies and Math, and I got my graduate degree in Learning Design and Technology. Through that program, I really got a chance to appreciate the connection between why I wanted to become a teacher in the first place and technology education, like the philosophy behind promoting more technology and education. I feel like those really came together, and from there developed an interest and a love for STEM.
We came in and we were seeing all of the students hard at work. What does a typical day of the STEM program look like?
It's a combination of robotics, engineering, and computer science. In robotics, we work with STEM, the VEX robotic systems. For engineering, we do intro to computer-aided design, working with different power tools and materials. And our students are essentially working toward creating a senior capstone project. And then in computer science, we are training our students to take the AP Computer Science exam. We have a coding club that's also doing game and app development, so there's a lot of different things going on any given day.
I love that, I love that. Okay, so, you know, we're here at Maryknoll School. We're seeing a lot of the teachers and the students hard at work, but I want to ask you, I know you've been teaching for 11 years. What have the students taught you throughout the years?
I feel like I learn a lot from students. I feel like they're very in touch today, especially with each other and building strong, positive relationships. And so as a teacher, sometimes it's easy to get really focused in on what you guys have to learn and curriculum, and I really appreciate them reminding me as well, like why we're all here, that we can put it all together.
Awesome, I love that. And if anybody wanted to learn more information about Maryknoll School, its programs, maybe even enroll their children in Maryknoll School next year, what's a good website that they should log on to?
A great website is maryknollschool.org.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Doctor, for talking to myself and all of our viewers out there. If you guys missed all of that information, don't worry, we'll have a recap on KHON2.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, that's so awesome. All of the great things that they're doing over there at Maryknoll School with the STEM program. And, oh, wow, look at that. Looking great, and such a great program. And also, we want to wish a big congratulations to the new girls varsity softball state champions. Their first time, the Maryknoll School's Lady Spartans. These scholar athletes made school history last night, becoming the first team to take home the state title under Coach John Uikawa. And it was such a great game. They took out Iolani, who is also just doing fantastic, and good congratulations to the Maryknoll Spartans.